So I'll try to make the story very short. So I passed out in 2019. So I joined eConstruct in Jan 2019. I had my internship drive in Coimbatore in October 16, 2018. Okay, so I had my same rounds, whatever you gave. I think you did the employability test. You know, the type of people you are, active person, all those kinds, same things. I had the same process. So I went through this interview, and that was my first technical, interview that I gave on campus when I was there in my final year, my 8th semester. So I was waiting for the call letter, and one fine day I got a mail from Shraddha ma'am, you can join on Jan 1st, 2019, and it will be a 6-month internship, and then we'll see about it, what to do. I know, I think a lot of people know that when it comes to an affiliated college, it's very difficult for them to, provide internship. You'll not be staying in college, you have to go work for some office, do some internship because your syllabus will be behind, and all that. So I don't know, there was this small gut that was always telling me ki jao, this is where you are, this is where you belong, or something like that. And I wrote a big letter to the principal, to the technical director, the correspondent, everybody, and I told that I'm not coming to college. I'll try my best and give my final exam, and I'm going to Bangalore. And that was my first hostel experience as well. I've never stayed away from home, so that was my first hostel experience. I came to Bangalore on Jan 1st on New Year, and then I started coming to office on Jan 2nd. So it's been like 2.5 years plus in eConstruct, and it might sound a little cliche, but every day, every single day, every single minute, whatever I deal with, it has been an amazing experience for me because I think a lot of people have worked in offices, and I know you would probably know the kind of environment it is created over there, between any employer and an employee. You don't have the freedom to talk. You'll have this reluctance to, think what will they think about you. But here we have this freedom to tell that, ma'am, this is what is going to work. They always ask us suggestions. See, for people like them, they don't even have to tell them what they are going to be doing. They discuss every single plan. They ask us how this is going to work. It's always a team effort, and when they say it's a family, it's definitely a family, and I think you're going to experience this every single day as well. And of course, 4 years of engineering, everybody know what we did in college back then, and to see where I am standing before you all with whatever I am, whatever technical knowledge, very little technical knowledge. I know I have a lot to learn, but with whatever knowledge I have right now, I completely owe to Shraddha ma'am and Sandeep sir, because the way he teaches, you would have not known. Whenever I think of some technical topics, it's those funny, humorous concept that sir has taught me that comes to my mind, and that still keeps me going, that makes me remember. And every time somebody asks out, I try to reiterate that. If anybody of you who have understood the way me, Tathagato, Swapnil is delivering something, it's completely because of Sandeep sir, because we have taken everything that he has been delivering to us and just delivering it back to you. We're just reiterating whatever he has taught to us. Okay, and that's about it. And I also wanted to tell, I'll not take more time, I'll just take 2 more minutes. We have been handling projects, structural consultancy projects, and you'll be surprised to hear that I've been doing everything, right from client coordination to everything, and I don't know anybody of my age or having 2.5 years experience, I don't know if they have been at least exposed to 50% of what I have been exposed to, because that's the kind of exposure I get in eConstruct. I know I have seen employees, I have seen my friends saying they don't even know which client they are working for. कुछ तो project है G+1 building, G+5 building. I don't know the client, I don't know what's happening. I was told to do the ETAS modeling, मैं करके दे दिया, that's all. So that is the experience that my fellow classmates and people have been telling me. But here I get to coordinate with the client, I get to talk to them, I get to coordinate, and sir and ma'am always try to put us on the front end. They ask us to lead, and that's how we've evolved and got a lot of leadership skills as well. If I'm talking so confidently like this in front of all of you all, it's because of all that they have been teaching me and instilling in me. And every day I'm learning a lot, and I can't wait to experience what you guys have come here for. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir.
अर्निंग चाहिए तो लर्निंग करनी पड़ेगी, ज्यादा अर्निंग चाहिए तो ज्यादा लर्निंग करनी पड़ेगी। और लर्निंग के लिए ई कंस्ट्रक्ट मास्टर स्टडी ऑन जॉब प्रोग्राम्स है ना। अगर आप सिविल इंजीनियर है और अगर आपको कोर टेक्निकल प्लेसमेंट चाहिए सिविल इंडस्ट्री में, तो ई कंस्ट्रक्ट के ऑन जॉब फुल टाइम ऑनलाइन और ऑफलाइन ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स को ज्वाइन करके आप सिविल इंडस्ट्री में अपना पहला कदम रख सकते हैं। तो आज ही ज्वाइन कीजिए मास्टर स्टडी लर्निंग प्रोग्राम्स एट ई कंस्ट्रक्ट।